Do you want to know how men get rich without ever bragging about their money? It's not magic, luck, or an inheritance. It's about mastering 13 simple, powerful, and discreet tricks that build wealth quietly, without attracting unwanted attention. If you're ready to change your financial mindset, stay with us. Most people dream of wealth, but showing early signs of success can attract envy, pressure, and false friendships. You don't need that. Your goal is to grow in silence, step by step, until one day you can look back at the empire you've built without anyone ever noticing. This isn't about hiding. It's about playing a smarter game. True wealth isn't loud. It's the quiet freedom that no one can take away. The power of financial silence. Financial silence is your most powerful tool. When you talk about your plans, investments, or earnings, you invite opinions, criticism, and even sabotage. Money loves discretion because it protects you from social pressure and gives you the freedom to act on your own terms. Those who boast about their income seek external validation. Those who stay silent strengthen their inner resolve. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Your progress is measured by the confidence that every move you make brings you closer to independence. This is the secret of the truly wealthy. Speak little, observe a lot, and let your results do the talking. Silent wealth lasts because no one can take what they don't know you have. Hidden income and invisible habits. Building wealth quietly starts with hidden income, discrete sources that increase your cash flow without anyone noticing. Diversify with online activities. Start a small digital project, sell a course, or write articles. These are incomes that grow little by little, and only you need to know about them. Automate your savings. Treat savings like a non-negotiable expense. Set up an automatic transfer so a portion of every paycheck goes directly into an account invisible to others. This creates a silent financial cushion that grows without effort. Create value quietly. Offer a side service, consult discreetly, or build something that generates passive royalties. This extra income becomes the fuel for your wealth. Your invisible habits are the foundation. These aren't extreme sacrifices, but small routines that multiply your results over time. Practice a silent budget. You don't need to share your earnings or spending with anyone, but you must have absolute control. Every dollar should have a purpose. Learn to say no. Say no to unnecessary expenses, no to invitations that drain your money, and no to the pressure to pretend. Each no is a yes to your freedom. Reinvest constantly. Every profit you make should be used to create a new asset, whether it's more education, a business, or a stock. This invisible cycle of reinvestment creates an unstoppable snowball effect. The psychology of discreet investment. True wealth isn't built with noise, but with silent, strategic steps. Invest in what you understand. Don't chase trendy investments to impress others. Choose with clarity to reduce risk and build confidence. Diversify silently. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across funds, small properties, or digital ventures. Your wealth grows in multiple directions without a public announcement. Embrace invisible patience. The impatient want quick results to show off. The wise know that time is their greatest ally. You invest today, wait quietly, and watch that small seed grow into a solid tree. Don't seek validation. Your investments are for your future, not to impress anyone. This mindset puts you on the same level as the great silent fortunes, those who seem normal until you discover the empire they've built beneath the surface. 13 tricks for a quiet fortune. 1. Automate savings. Let a part of your income disappear instantly into a separate account. 2. Generate side income. Find ways to earn extra money that no one associates with you. 3. Live below your means. Many millionaires drive ordinary cars and wear simple clothes, multiplying their wealth in private. 4. Reinvest all profits. Use every gain to fund a new asset that works for you. 5. Be discreet. Don't share your earnings or purchases. Your power comes from others not being able to measure your progress. 6. Invest in knowledge. Courses, books, and mentorships are invisible assets that improve your decision-making. 7. Build invisible assets. Acquire properties or digital investments that generate passive income without being displayed. 8. Control your circle. Don't discuss financial details with people who don't share your vision. 9. Make time your ally. Silent wealth takes patience and a long-term vision. Those who rush to brag often fail. 10. Avoid foolish debt. Discretion begins with rejecting unnecessary credit that makes you a slave to appearances. 11. Negotiate silently. Listen more and talk less to gain a significant advantage in any negotiation. 12. Design a strategic lifestyle. True luxury isn't a luxury car. It's freedom, time, and peace of mind. 13. Think like an investor, not a consumer. Before spending, ask yourself if this purchase brings you closer to freedom or takes you away from it. By applying these 13 tricks, your path to wealth becomes inevitable. You will wake up one day to a new reality, a new league where silence is your greatest advantage. Your turning point. Your financial turning point isn't about a specific amount of money. It's when your identity changes. You stop being someone who wants to be rich and become someone who thinks, decides, and acts like a wealthy man. You'll know you've reached this point when you no longer need to impress people with unnecessary spending, when you enjoy accumulating assets more than buying luxuries, and when you see investment opportunities everywhere, acting without fear or haste. This inner change is invisible to others, but you will feel it. And once your mind crosses that line, there's no going back. You'll think like someone building freedom, not fighting to survive. Silent freedom. Imagine waking up one day and working by choice, not obligation. This is silent freedom. You won't have to show off expensive watches or luxury cars. Your wealth is in controlling your time and choosing where and with whom you spend it. This is the prize many chase their whole lives but never achieve because they're too focused on impressing others. Your journey of silent discipline will lead you to inner peace, security, and a future entirely within your control. The most powerful wealth isn't shouted, it's lived. Don't let this information remain just words. Apply these tricks. Protect your mind and your money. Your written word is the first step toward commitment, so share which trick you'll apply first in the comments.